How to buy insurance in USA. Buying private health insurance. If your employer doesn't offer you health insurance as a part of an employee benefits program, you may looking at purchasing your own health insurance through a private health insurance company. If a premium is a amount of money an individual or business pays to an insurance company for coverage. Health insurance premiums are typically paid monthly. Employers who offer an employer-sponsored health insurance plan typically cover parts of the insurance premium. If you need to insure yourself, you will be paying the full cost of the premium. It is common to be concerned about how much it will cost to purchase health insurance for yourself. However, there are various options and price available to you based on the level of coverage you need. When purchasing your own insurance, the process is more complicated than simply selecting a company plan and having the premium payments come straight out of your payback every month. Here are some tips to help guide you through the process of purchasing your own health insurance. How buy private health insurance works. Some Americans get insurance by enrolling in a group health insurance plan through their employers. Medicare provides health care coverage to senior and disabled, and Medicaid has coverage for low-income Americans. Medicare is a federal health insurance program for people who are 65 or older. Contain young people with disabilities and people with end-stage renal disease may also qualify for Medicare. Medicaid is a public assistance health care program for low-income Americans regardless of their ages. If your company does not offer an employer-sponsored plan, and if you are not eligible for Medicare or Medicaid, individuals and families have the options to purchasing insurance policies directly from private health insurance companies or through the health insurance marketplace. Seniors, when you might need private health insurance, there are certain circumstances that make it more likely that you will need to purchase your own health insurance plan. A young adult 26 years of age or older. Under the provisions of the Affordable Act ACA of 2010, young people can be covered as dependents by their parents' health insurance policy until they turn 26 years old. After that, they must seek out their own insurance policy. Unemployed. If you lose your job, you may be eligible to maintain coverage through your employer's health insurance plan for a period of time through a program called the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Recognition Act COBRA. COBRA means COBRA allows eligible employees and their dependents the option to continue health insurance coverage at their own expenses. When coverage through COBRA can be maintained for up to 36 months under certain circumstances, the cost of enrolling in COBRA is very high. This is typically employers pay a portion of healthcare premium on behalf of their employers. A part-time employee. Part-time jobs rarely offer health benefits A part-time job is any portion that requires employees to work a lower number of hours than would be considered full-time by their employers, or 40 hours per week. If you work part-time, you usually must enroll in your own health insurance. Self-employed, a self-employed person may work as a freelancer or own a business. Some self-employed people can get health insurance through a spouse plan. If not, they must provide their own health insurance. A business owner who has employees. If you health a business and you have employees, you might be required to offer their health insurance. Even it is not required, you might decide to offer health insurance in order to be a competitive employer that can attract qualified job candidates. In this situation, you will be required to purchase a business health insurance plan, also known as group plan. If you retire or your spouse parents retire, when you retire, you will likely no longer be eligible for employer sponsored health insurance. If you are under 65, if you are under 65 and not disabled, you will need to purchase individual health insurance until you turn 65 and can apply for Medicare. Many retirees choose a purchase private Medigap or Medicare Advantage plans in addition to Medicare as a way of guaranteeing more comprehensive coverage. Some retired people who also decide to completely replace Medicare coverage with a private Medicare Advantage plan.